We're here at Msani in Johannesburg with 30 women, faith leaders from around about 11 different countries, including Uganda online makes it 12. This meeting is called a FLEAT, and it means Faith Leader Environmental Advocacy Training. And this is the first time we've met as regional women, leaders coming together like this.
I learned how to do climate storytelling in a very visual and very captivating way to tell the climate stories, the struggle communities are facing, and call for action. Another thing I learned is how to utilize social media for advocacy. And another highlight for me is the just energy transition, where we will learn about alternative sources of energy, clean energy sources for our communities. And I also learned about indigenous food systems, whereby we are told that whatever you eat is what you become, and where you plant the soil you plant your vegetables is what it becomes. So we have to be very careful on what we plant, what we eat, and what we use.
This week I learned a lot on how to plant the plants, how to have an organic food in the table. So I come on learning that organic food are healthy than the other foods we are buying in the shops. So they looks attractive, but they are not healthy. So it motivated me to have my own garden so that I can eat fresh from the garden, then feed my family.
In this workshop, I have had an opportunity of meeting women of different faiths and who are from different regions of this continent. I noticed, and when we talk about environmental issues, they are affecting us equally the same. The depletion of the ozone layer and the climate changes.
And I have enjoyed listening to presentation from different speakers, and I've learned so much that I'm going to carry home. What stood out for me was sharing different articles from our holy scriptures on how we should take care of the environment, as well as visiting an organic farm, which actually will give me insight on how to help other women in my country.
Now that we've spent this time together over these 3 days, the women are going to go back home and they're going to continue to speak on social media and other media channels so we can be in touch with each other. We're going to have plans that we're going to be implementing together as a collective and also locally in our own communities, and inform our communities of what they can do about climate change and other environmental challenges that they're facing.